how to enter recovery mode on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Android phone in recovery mode. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is simply turn off our Android phone. So I'm just going to hold down the power button and then select power off. Once our Android phone turns off, all we need to do is hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. You'll feel it vibrate, and then you'll see this screen right here. Use the volume button to scroll through until you see recovery mode and then select it with the power button. Once that happens, you'll see this screen load right here with the Android icon. All we need to do now is hold down the power button and then tap the volume up button, and we're now in recovery mode. We can now scroll through the different options with the volume up and volume down buttons. So if you wanted to do maybe a factory reset, something like that, you could select that using the power button. I'm just going to go up and go ahead and reboot, but we're now in Android recovery mode. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.